Hi, welcome to another XLSTAT video tutorial. Today, I'd like to show you how to color code data in Excel using XLSTAT. Color coding can be very useful when it comes to interpreting the results of a statistical analysis. It can also give you quick insights on minimum and maximum values. Here we have an example of a correlation matrix obtained from a PCA XLSTAT report. By definition, a Pearson correlation coefficient ranges from -1 to 1 and characterizes the linear relationship between two numerical variables. Because these correlation matrices can be difficult to read, adding colors can be very useful. In order to color code this correlation matrix, we start by selecting the matrix, then we click on the magic stick menu. This menu contains several handy tools to color cells, to anonymize your data, or to easily navigate through an XLSTAT report. We click on the color from -1 to 1 button and choose the color palette that we prefer. We can now quickly tell that the correlation between variables 8 and 6 is the strongest positive correlation because it is colored in the darkest shade of blue, and that the correlation between variables 7 and 8 is the strongest negative correlation because it is colored in the darkest shade of orange. The lightest cells correspond to pairs of variables that are not or less correlated. In this video, we have seen how to color code a correlation matrix. Feel free to apply color coding to any data matrix using these XLSTAT tools, as long as the data is numerical. Thanks for watching.